Let's be real, it's not 2017 anymore, and posting images of your morning coffee or your dog's cute face is not going to help you sell your programs and offers, and especially not those high-ticket ones. What you need right now is the type of content that stops your audience dead in their tracks and makes them think, shit, I need to work with her, and I need to work with her right now. If you want to know what that content is, keep on watching. Hi, my name is Kasia. I'm the Confidence Magician, specializing in business energetics and subconscious reprogramming, making you absolutely unstoppable in creating the business and the life of your dreams. So let's talk content, and particularly content that sells. Content that continuously brings you clients and allows you to sell your offers, your programs, and your services with great ease. I'm sure that many times, many places, you have met with advice that in order to become more human on the internet, and that is build a better rapport with your potential clients, you want to show more of your real life, more of those daily moments or behind the scenes. And as much as I agree with this type of advice to the extent that it does allow you to create a better bond with your audience, I also know from my own experience and from the experience of my clients that this is not the type of content that gives you sales. And I get it why we women like this type of content when we get used to it, when we get over the hurdle of showing who we are. And that is because those types of posts, they create a lot more engagement. I mean, people love connecting to people, and I'm all for that. But here's the catch. You're running a business, and as much as it's nice to connect and have that kind of influencer vibe on your social media sometimes, you really want to ask yourself a question. Does this type of content allow me to wake up to the messages in my DMs asking me how people can get to work with me one-on-one or buy some of my programs? Because if it's not, then something needs to change. The next logical question should be, if not lifestyle content, what should I be posting? Not just to connect with my audience, but also to make them feel like I'm the only person that can help them and make them want to work with me right now. And in such case, we are talking about irresistible content, magnetic content, if you wish. Magnetic or irresistible content is about two things. Thing number one is understanding your ideal client. And I know you've heard it a million times, but if you're not signing up those high-ticket clients on a regular basis, then you probably need to hear it one more time, and it's okay. The thing is, you want to know what your ideal client is thinking about when they are putting their head on the pillow at night. What are they dreaming about that they never tell anyone? What do they want to achieve? What do they want to create? What do they want to change? But most importantly, more importantly than anything else, how do they want to feel as a result of creating that change, making that transition, that shift, whatever it is that you help them achieve? So that's the first thing. The second pillar of your most magnetic, irresistible content is about the way in which you're going to post it or share it or communicate it. In order to make your messaging and your content truly magnetic and irresistible, you have to be the person that communicates it in a way that exudes confidence, that exudes this aura, this energy of, I know what I'm talking about. I'm great at doing this. And I have no doubt that as soon as you will give yourself permission to work with me, we will get you to feel exactly how you want to feel right now. And all of these things that you are dreaming about, that you never tell anyone, these feelings, these experiences, they will become your reality. And can you now see how different this type of content is? The content that is just creating connection, that is just allowing you to get more likes, more shares, more comments. Maybe people are sharing back with you their pictures, their special private moments, and that's all great. But again, this will not grow your business. And if you're not growing your business, then it also means you're not helping more people. And if you're not helping more people, then what are you doing? And I say this lovingly because I've been there. And in the past, I have built an account on Instagram of over 130,000 people, and I loved being an influencer. But again, back then, I wasn't doing what I'm doing right now. Yes, I was signing clients in terms of brands and brand cooperations and sponsorships, but I was not monetizing my audience. And I can tell you right now that some of my clients have small audiences. I'm currently working with a client who has an audience on Instagram of probably 800 people, and she is making 30, 40, 50K weeks. And this is not because she is posting her morning latte. This is because she is so much better at communicating how great she is at what she does, and she really understands her ideal audience. This is exactly what makes people who land on her account, and hopefully soon on your account, think, oh wow, I love this. I love her energy. I love the way she gets me. And so I think I really found my person. And they do it without knowing what you drink for breakfast. And so I hope I have made my point right now, and that now you really understand how lifestyle content might be diluting your messages and actually doing more harm than good, even though it gets you likes, it gets you shares, and it gets you replies. And on this channel, we're going to be talking so much more about this. So if we're not friends here on YouTube just yet, what are you waiting for? And right now, if you still feel any type of awkwardness, or if you worry about showing up fully on social media, I encourage you to check out my video, Everybody Poops. Yeah, you heard that right. Because what makes you most magnetic for your ideal clients is not perfection. Yes, it is owning who you are and what you do, but in a way that only you can do. And so I'll see you in the next video.